Need to convert PDFs into Word documents without losing formatting? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use free open source tools to seamlessly transform PDFs into editable Word files. Whether it's for work, school, or personal projects, this method is quick, easy, and completely free. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to simplicity. By the end of this video, you'll be converting files like a pro and saving them in the process. So as you can see right here, I have my PDF already open. So here's my PDF right here into my file. So if you want to actually convert your PDF to Word, the very fast solution to do that is to head over to your new tab and search in here for PDF to Word. Now, once we have done that, we should be able to see in here some suggestions like small PDF as well as I love PDF. I recommend in here this I love PDF option instead of the other one because it will just give us images instead of editable elements. So head over and click onto the select PDF file and then select the file from in there. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this. So you can choose no OCR, wherein you can convert PDFs with selectable text into editable Word files, or you can also choose in here the OCR. Now click on this convert to Word and it will convert to that. Just head over and click onto this download Word. And then once it's been downloaded, you should be able to see it right here already. And then you can head over and then access it. Next thing that you can do is we can actually go over to another alternative method, which is doing it in the docs.google.com. So into your docs, just head over and click onto this blank document. And then from in there, you can go over right here to this file option. Click onto this file. And once you have clicked on it, you can head over and insert in here a file that you have already. So you can click onto this open. And then in here, you just need to upload a file that you can go over and then add. So let's upload in here this file that we have, which is the PDF file that we're talking about. But we have done that, as you can see right here, you just need to upload that right. As you can see, it's now uploading and it may take some time for this to actually show up as well. So here it is our actual PDF with the planner and the likes for our personal grade in school that we have actually shown to you earlier. Now for our last tool, we'll be talking about Canva's PDF to Word. Just head over and search for Canva PDF to Word and you should be able to see this link. Just head over and click on that. Then click onto this upload your file or just drag your file right here. So let's click on it right there and then let's upload the PDF file that we're talking about into this tool. And then this will load for a few seconds in order to show us the actual output. So here's it is into our canvas. So you can also head over and edit that already. However, if you want it into the Word format or Docs format, just head over and click onto the share option. Then click onto this download option. Instead of PDF, choose in here other option like the Word option, or you can also go over and then open it using this integrations that we have right here. And in here you can save it under your Microsoft OneDrive and the likes for this one as well. So that's all for today and thank you so much for watching. To help you put what you've learned into action, I have attached a free resource in the actual comment or description below. You can head over and then just click onto that download button in order to download it. So, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this with someone who could benefit from these tips. Before you go, make sure to check out my Canva playlist and all the other playlists I have in the channel. It's packed with tutorials and ideas to inspire your next project. See you in the next video and happy creating!